Beyond Meat shares skyrocketing after cost-cutting measures and promises of less discounting dominated the company's latest earnings call. The plant-based meat leader and meat maker also teases potential actions coming to reduce debt and shore up its cash position. Yahoo Finance's executive editor Brian Sozzi joins us with a serving of analysis here. I held back from what I was going to say.
Don't hold back. Just let it fly. We're talking plant-based meat here. But really, I should say, some of the gains have been given back since last night. BYND shares were up close to 100%. As soon as those earnings hit the wires, so we're seeing a little bit of a sell-off, should I say, in the pre-market. But again, an eye-popping gain, top ticker on the Yahoo Finance platform. So let me decode, I think, what investors are seeing with this ticker today. One, massive short covering rally here with BYND. You go to the Beyond Meat ticker page on Yahoo Finance, click on stats, scroll down, you'll see that massive short position that looks like it's getting unwound. Question you have to ask yourself, why is this getting unwound? A couple reasons. The company has cut a lot of expenses, and this year, notably the second half of this year, you may not see a lot of losses from Beyond Meat. They might actually start making money again, which is a really good thing if you're a public company or any company in general. Next, they did tease price hikes coming on new Beyond Meat burgers. Now, I talked to Ethan Brown just a couple days ago about that product. It's a product he's very jazzed up about. I think that's going to start shipping in April, potentially at higher prices. The street really likes that because BYND has been discounting its products, has hammered margins the past year and a half. And then also lastly, and this is something I dug a little more into, and to be perfectly honest, I need to dig more into it. They're eyeing a potential balance sheet boost in 2024. Now, the company said, on the company's balance sheet, they have about $1.1 billion in convertible notes. They took out that debt, guys, in 2021 when the stock was absolutely near its peak. Things were hot. That note comes due in 2027. And there's some concerns on the street about liquidity for Beyond Meat. They exited last year with about $190 million in cash. How are they going to meet that debt obligation? It is unclear what they're going to do regarding raising or boosting their balance sheet. That's the mood on the street here this morning. But the mood, it seems to be they might raise cash and buy back that debt. Unclear, but it's something to watch and could be a major catalyst or a stock-driving catalyst for Beyond Meat. But I mentioned before some of the cost cutting that Beyond Meat has done, and I think this is a very important quote here by co-founder and CEO Ethan Brown on the earnings call last night. Really, I think highlighting to investors how deep this company has gone. They have used to deal with 13 co-packers or companies or manufacturing sites that made their products for them. They're now down to one. Now, that is likely to lead to a massive improvement in profit margins, but also improve the product quality on a product that is just fundamentally made different than meat. So a lot to be taken in here from this company. The street, 3 underperform ratings reiterated on the street. So you have a lot of non-believers still on Beyond Meat. Justifiably so. I mean, the stock is really down, I think, 95% using this stock price right now here in the pre-market compared to those highs from 2019. I think it was $239 a share, but still, I think just a massive short covering rally because there were incremental signs of positive things finally happening at this company. Now they just have to deliver to the street.
Yeah, certainly forecasts of better margins there, revenue beat, the realignment that we've seen within their product portfolio, certainly giving investors a reason to buy today.
I like the meatballs, Shauna. I like the food.
They're good. They are good.
Works.
I know. I'm one of those believers in Beyond Meat, but we'll see whether or not the share price holds up.